To all you beginner traders, intermediate traders, and even professional traders out there watching this, I'm hosting live, yes, a live 90-minute lifestyle trader web class where I'm going to show you the 7 mistakes traders consistently make which are impeding on their profits. I'm going to show you one of my favorite trading strategies that is simply a rinse and repeat system. I'll give you a business plan, a roadmap on how to get started if you're a complete beginner. If you're already trading, join my live broadcast because what you will learn will change your results. For those who don't know me, I'm Greg Morgan, a Learn to Trade's Global Trader of the Year. I run 2 global trading floors across Asia Pacific, where we have trained thousands of students how to monetize the currency markets. Here's a trade I took last week. $8,000 I plucked out of the markets in 2 hours. Do you want to know how I do this? I'll show you how, and I'll show you how I and my student traders do this consistently. So don't miss this event. Click the link somewhere around this video, register now. This could be an opportunity to transform your life and the life of your family, just like it has done for me. I'll see you on the broadcast.